All right. Good. Let's see. So I think others will be joined soon because of the time. Okay. And also I was in the town, so actually I got home 5 minutes early. Okay. That's why I'm in this dress. Okay. So actually I didn't have much time to change the dress. So don't worry, don't worry about the dress. Okay. All right. So let's see. What are the homeworks I have given you? What are the numbers? Actually, I have given you several numbers to uh, convert binary numbers to decimal. No, decimal numbers to binary. No? I think I have given numbers. Yes, decimal numbers to binary. Okay. So those are the homeworks. Let's see. Okay. Okay, those are the numbers. No? 432. Let's see. Okay. Let's convert the numbers. Okay. Binary. So decimal to binary. 10th base to 10th base to uh, second base. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see the answers. And also, Altaf, did you done the homeworks? Is it okay? Actually, yes. Today we have to learn some mathematical parts. So I told you that this lesson will be a mathematic lesson. Okay. That means there are several calculations to do this in this lesson. So most of the things, I mean all the things that we are going to learn today will be maths. Okay, but very easy. Okay, very easy. There are only four methods, guys. Okay, there are only four methods to convert all the numbers. I think four. Okay, likewise, very easy. Okay, let's see. Let's see. So the first one is 432. No. Yes, 432. The first number, 432. Yeah, this is a what decimal number. We have to convert this one into binary. Okay, let's see. What we have to do, okay, when we have a decimal number, when we want to convert to any base or any number, we have to divide the decimal number using that the number, that base we want to convert. Okay, so actually in here we want to convert to second base. Okay, so that means binary. Okay, so then what we can do is we have to just divide this number by 2. Okay, so then we have to actually keep the reminders. So here there will be 2 to 4, 1 to 3, and 12 to 6. No, and there are no reminders. Okay? Zero reminders. And then we have to divide this one also. Okay, we have to divide all the things until it gets 0. That's the rule. Okay, very simple rule. No, very simple rule. So let's divide this one again by 2, 1, 0, 8. Here also 0 reminder. And also here 5, 4, 0. Okay, so then here 2, 7, 0, 1, 3. Okay, there is one reminder here. Again 2, 6, 1, 3, 0, 1, 1. Okay, this will be the number. Okay. As I told you in the last week, actually the rule is to divide all the things until it gets 0. But actually, I'm going to stop when the answer is lower than the dividing number. Okay? When the answer is lower than dividing number, that means when we divide again this by 2, 0 will be come up here and this number will come up to here. Okay, so that is the thing. We did that one in the last tip. So I'm going to stop by here. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to write the numbers, write the reminders bottom to what? Here. Right? We have to start from the bottom. So this is equal 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 0. We have to keep all the zeros. So if the zeros are in the right hand side, doesn't matter. We have to keep all the zeros. So is this yes? I think you made it is correct, no? Check whether this answer is correct. Okay, Altaf, check this one. And the second one is 34. No? 34. What is this answer? For the second one, no? Yes. Let's see. 30. What is the number? 34. Let's see. 34. I'm going to use this space because it is a small number, 34. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to divide this 34 by 2 again and again until it becomes 0 or else lower than 2. 34 divided by 2, it will be 1, 7, 0 reminders. Again, we have to divide by 2. Okay. For 16, there are 8, 1 reminder. Again, 2, 4, 0 reminders. 2, 2, 0. Is this visible? Yes, I think, yes. 1, 0 reminders. Okay. So the answer will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 will be the answer of second one. Is it okay? Yes, I think I made this correct. Good. Okay. So the third one, let's see, 156. 156. Let's see. Third one, 156. This is in binary, decimal form. Let's see, let's convert. 156 should be divided by 2. So here, for 14, okay, for 14, actually we have 7. And here will be there is a 1, and for 16 there are 8. 0 reminders. Okay. Actually, the calculation part should be done by yourselves, no? That means you have to be very careful when it comes to division. Okay, division, and then we have to consider multiplication likewise. Okay, this part you have to consider, but the thing is, actually, I'm not going to teach you how to divide by 2. Okay, so the thing is, you know already, but the thing is, you have to be careful when you divide these things. Later on, we are going to divide by 8. Okay, so it will be very hard, but when we divide by 2, it is very simple, no? Just divide by 2. Okay, that will be very simple, guys. But when we are going to divide by Give me 1 second, guys. Okay. Sorry again. I think you can hear me, no? Is it clear, guys? Actually, again, I had a signal issue. Previously, we had a power issue. So now we had a signal issue. So I'm using a Mobitel router. So we had a power signal loss in Mobitel routers. So then I had to use dial-up SIM. Okay. So my sister has a dial-up mobile. So then I had to use her hotspot and just connect to the class. Okay. That's why here the problem. But I think now it's okay. But the signal will come up. Okay. So the issue guys, actually, so here our home. Okay. Here we have our home. Okay. So our signal tower is in another village. Okay. So let's say this is the signal tower for the Mobitel. Okay. Signal tower. This village is sorry. This tower is in another village, but here our home in our village. No. So the thing is, guys, for to our village, we have separate power supply, separate what transform, a separate transformer used to give power to our houses. Okay. Also, there is a separate another transformer to give the second village. That means the village that this telephone signal tower is located. Okay. So the thing is, guys, sometimes this power will cut off. Okay? They will cut this power. So that means this tower will not get any power. Okay. So signal tower will not get any power. But our transformer is still working. That means we have the power. The signal tower does not have the power. So that means all the signal will lose. So this is going to down. So that means all the signals will lose. So that is the thing. Actually, that is the reason we have lost the signal. So that means in the other village they had a power loss. Okay? But in our case we have the power. Okay? Sometimes it is interchange. That means for our village we don't have power, but for the other village, that means the other village they have power. That means we have the signals for mobile, okay, mobile devices. That is the thing, guys. Actually, okay, I think the other village doesn't have a power. Actually, we can identify. Okay, so that means that village don't have power now. Okay, we can get the what get the idea. Okay, let's see. I think this is okay. No, this is the what third one. Okay, this is the third one, and let's see what are the previous ones. 150 and the last one, no, 334. Let's see. 334. I will write in this area. Okay, this is space 334. Fourth one, 334. It is also in what decimal format. Okay, let's see. We have to divide each every number by 2. Let's see. 1 and here 6, here 7, 0 reminders. Here 8 and here what? 3, 1, 4, 1, 1, 21 reminder, 10, 0 reminder, 5, 0 reminder, 2, 1 reminder, 1, 0 reminder. So what will be the answer? I will write the answer in the below. 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0. This is the answer. Is it okay? Tell me, both of you guys. Is all the answers are correct? Yes, good. This is very easy one, no, actually. It's very easy one. So let's move to the next conversion. Okay. So actually, I will teach you the method of conversion, and let's just do two calculations. Okay, two conversions, and I will teach you the method, and then I will give you homework for each and every conversion method. Okay. So then we can discuss this thing like this. Okay, it is very good, guys. Or otherwise, actually, I'm going to teach you, and all the all the conversions will done by me. So that means there will be no knowledge gaining by yourself. Okay, so it is very good to do by yourself. Okay, and also another thing. So I think you have registered to the class. Okay, so this is the third week. So by next week, you have to pay the first month class fees. Okay, by next week, if you didn't pay yet, you have to pay the class fees for this month. Okay, so then we can calculate. Actually, normally I'm giving you 2 weeks for the class payment, but in this case, I couldn't give you the notice in the last week. So that's the thing. So today I'm giving you the notice. So before 2 weeks, you have to pay the class fees. So otherwise, I will not allow you guys for the class. Okay. And also after your payment, I am going to send you the tute. Sorry. And also in the tute also, I have included several questions. Okay. In this lesson, there are several calculations. So I have included several questions, and I have given several spaces for answers those questions likewise. Okay. And also I will give you the recordings after. Yes, I'm giving you the recordings in this week, but for the next week onward, you have to pay the fees. Okay. Okay. And also when you pay the fees, just tell me, just write your name and send me the receipt. Okay. So that in that way I can confirm who are the students that have paid, because I have several classes, level classes also. So actually, this is the first English medium class. Okay, so that's why there are still several few students, but let's see, our class will grow. Let's see. All right. So the second conversion is to convert binary. Uh, sorry, not binary, decimal. No? Decimal. Yes. Decimal into octal. Okay. You have to convert decimal into octal. Actually, guys, we have learned one method in the previous conversion. What is the method? We had decimal number. So we had a decimal number. What we have done is we have convert that number into binary form. Okay, that means the second base. Okay, if it is a base number, second base. So in that case, we had the binary number, decimal number. So we have divided decimal number by 2 and keep the reminders. Likewise, that is a one method, guys. Okay, that method is going to use when we are converting decimal numbers into any form of number. Okay. For binary conversion, we are going to divide decimal number by 2 and keep the reminders. Okay. When we are going to convert decimal number to octal, you know octal means 8, no? 8 base. That means when we are going to convert to octal, we are going to divide the decimal number by 8 and keep the reminders, no? Until it gets 0. Okay. So the other thing is converting decimal numbers into hexadecimal. Hexadecimal is what? 16th base, no? 16th base. That means, very simple, no? Very simple. That means, when we have a decimal number, if we want to convert into hexadecimal, what we have to do is, we have to divide the decimal number by 16 and keep the reminders. Okay, very easy, no? Very easy. Let's see this one. Okay, I will start by a number. Okay, let's see what will be the number. A simple number, 47. Okay, let's see another simple number. Okay? This is 10th base. We have to convert into octal. So what we have to do is, we have to divide 47 by 8. Okay. What will be the for 40? There are 5 and 7 remaining. That's all. If we are going to divide this by again 8, there are 0, 4, 5 and 5 reminders. Okay. Same thing. That means here we got 5 in the earliest stage. Okay. We got 5. 5 means less than 8. Okay. 5 means less than 8. That means we can keep this 5 and 7 as the answer. Okay. It's simple. Okay. So the steps are reduced. When we are going to convert into binary numbers, we have to divide several times, no? We have to divide several times. But here, actually only one. Okay? But the thing is, you have to divide very carefully. Okay? You have to divide very carefully. Okay? So the answer is what? 57. 8 base. Okay? Is it okay? Did you got this one? Is it okay, no? Good. Yes, good. Let's see. Let's do another number. 343. Okay, 343. Let's see. This is an 10th base or a decimal. Let's divide this by this one, 343 by 8. Okay. For 34, we have, so let's see. So now it is going for difficult step, difficult level. Okay. Now we have to divide by 8. Right? A little bit difficult. Okay. Let's see. But the thing is, guys, you guys don't allow a calculator for the exam. Okay? That means this dividing things has to done by yourself. Okay? So that's why you have to be very careful. Let's see, 34. We have for 32, we have 4, no? For 32, we have 4. Mean here 4, 2 reminders, 23. We have 2, 7 reminders, no? Is it okay, no? If it is wrong, just tell me. Okay, I'm doing my mathematical in my mind. Okay, if it is wrong, just tell me. If you got another answer, just tell me. Okay. So then, again, we have to divide 42 by 8. For 40, we have 5 and 2 remainder. That means 527 is the octal number of equivalent of 343 of decimal number. Okay. Very easy, no? Very easy. Okay. Let's see. Let's do another one. Third one. We'll do another one. What will be the number? 536. Let's see. 536 divided by 8. For 53, how many 8s are there? For 40, we have 5. 48, we have 6. That is 6, no? 6. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. 5 reminders. Again, 56. 56 mean, I think 48, no? 50, I think it is 5, 6, 7, no? 7, 7, 8. 16, 32, 32 by 32 is no, not, 56. No? Let's see. 60, we have 8, 48, 48 and 8. Yes, 56. Okay, it's correct. That means we have 5, 6, 7. 7, 0 reminders. For 67, 8 by 8, 8 by 8 is 64. No, 8 by 8 is 64. So then 64, 5, 6, 7. 3 reminders. Is this correct? I think it is correct. It is very hard, guys, actually. So when I'm using English language for calculation, it is a little bit hard for me. So that's the thing. That's why it happened here. 830. 8 days. Is this okay? 1030? How did you got the 1030? Let's see. I have a calculator. Let's see. I will open the calculator and let's see what is the answer, and then I think this one is correct. Uh, 536. No. You're correct. What happened? Yes. Here we have to divide again. Yes. Yes. 8 is not a binary number, no? It is not a binary number. So that means we have to divide this again by 8. Sorry, guys. Sorry. So then here again 1 and 0. Okay. Good. Yes, good. Okay. So that's the thing. You have to be very careful, and also you have to be in alert. So 1038. Good. So actually in the list answer we had 8. I wrote 830. Okay. So when I wrote this one, you have to consider. You have to check. Oh, there's a 8. That means that 8 does not belongs to the octal number. Okay. So for the octal numbers, we have 0 to 7. 8 is not in the octal number character list. That means this can't be a list. So actually here you have to divide it by again. Good. Okay. Let's see again another one because I was wrong in this answer. Let's see. Let's do another one. What will the answer? 600 and what? 21? Let's see. So this is the decimal number. 621 will be divided by 8. For 64, there are 8. That means here should be 7. 64, that means 60, no? 61. 61 again 7. Okay, 61 against 7. So 61. How many numbers? 5? 5 reminders? No? 5, I think 5. Okay. Again, we have to divide by 8. For 77, let's see. For 64, we have 8. Okay. Let's add 8. 72. Yes, there should be 9. Okay, there should be 9. Mean we have 72, 72, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 5. Again, we are going to divide by 8, 1 and 1. 1005, 5, 8. Is this correct? Yes, it's correct, no? Good, good. Good. You have to do the answers, do the calculations before me. If you can do this by this before me, it's good. Okay. So let's write these things. Okay. I think you got the idea. Okay. Let's write. What? Put the subtopic. Okay. So in the previous one, we have put the topic as decimal to binary. Okay. For this one, write the topic decimal to octal conversion. Decimal to octal conversion. Decimal to octal conversion. Okay. Okay. Let's write like this. Divide the decimal number by 8. Divide the decimal number by 8. Divide the decimal number by 8 and write the remainder. Divide the decimal number by 8 and write the remainder of each division. Divide the decimal number by 8 and write the remainder of each division. That is the first point. Okay. Second point. For the second point, right? Divide the numbers. Divide the numbers until divide the numbers until the remainder is 0. Divide the numbers until the remainder is 0. Divide the numbers until the remainder is 0. Okay, the next point. Write the reminders from bottom to top. Write the reminders from bottom to top. Write the reminders from bottom to top. Okay. Write these things. Write these 4 calculations. hands up if you're finished. When you're finished, just hands up. Good, good. I will give you several homeworks. Okay. The first one, let's start from easy one. Okay. Those are the homeworks. Okay, write down. 24 and is 87, 156, 4. I will give you 5 numbers. Okay. What? 365, fifth one, 523. Then yes. Write those 5 homeworks and let's move. Let's move forward. Okay, I will clear this one. Write these things and hands up. Okay. The next one, decimal to hexadecimal. Okay. Decimal to hexadecimal. We are going to convert decimal numbers into hexadecimal. But the method is same, but there are several things you have to learn when we are going to convert to hexadecimal. Okay. What is that one? I told you the method is same. That means if we have a decimal number, we have to divide that decimal number by 16 and keep the reminders. Okay. The thing is, guys, when we are going to divide by 16, sometimes we can have reminders more than 10. Okay. So up to 16, there are several characters no, in the hexadecimal. So when we are going to divide by 16, there may be, we can get several numbers that more than 10 and less than 16. Okay, as the reminders. Okay, as the reminder, we can have some numbers. Reminder will be 11. Likewise. Okay. So in this case, what we have to do? Can we just put reminder as 11? No, 11 is a value. Okay, 11 is a value. So when we are going to use hexadecimal, we have to assign a character or else a symbol to this value to represent this value. Okay, what is the character? B. No, B. Likewise, let's see when we are doing the examples. Okay, so the thing is, guys, if we have a reminder more than 10 and less than 16, okay, or more than 10, okay, actually the reminders will always less than 16. Okay, the thing is, if we get a reminder more than 10, what we have to do is we have to assign the character or else the digit that we have assigned for each value. Okay, that is the thing you have to learn in extra when you are going to convert decimal into hexadecimal. That is the only thing. The method is same. Okay, let's see. Let's see what will be the first one. For the first one, what we can get. I will just write 56. Okay, 56. we are going to divide 56 by 16. Okay. 16 16 by 16, there will be 32. 32 by 16, 8, 48. That means there are 3. Okay. 3 16s, 16s in the 56, and 48 mean for the 58 there are 10, but here actually we will have 8. 38 is the 16th base number. Is this correct? Is it okay? Let's see an example of like this. Okay. I will just write the second one. 30. Okay. I will write 30. When we divide 30 by 16, how many 16s in 30? We have only one. No? 2 16s mean 32. 32. So here for 30 we don't have 32. That means there are 1 16 and how many reminders? How many reminders? 14, no? 14 reminders. Okay. We have 14 reminders. Okay. So then we have the 30. Okay. So here 14 means the value, guys. Okay. 14 means the value. So when we are going to write the answer, the conversion value, what we have to do is we can just put this one. Okay. This one is a character. I told you in the last week, I told you when we are going to write the symbols, there are several assigned values for each symbol. No? I will write the hexadecimal symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. Those are the symbols of hexadecimal. No? Okay. So when we are going to use this symbol, 3, a symbol, this is a symbol. The assigned value of 3 is also the 3. Okay, assigned value is also the 3. When we are going to use 5, this is the symbol. Okay. Symbol mean, guys, it is like a art. Okay, or as image. This is like an image. Okay, so the computer will know this by image, but we have assigned a value. The value is 5. Okay. This is a value, this is a character. Just take the difference between these two. Okay. When we are going to come for these symbols, A means a symbol, so the value assigned for A is 10. Okay. B is a symbol, so value assigned for B is 11. 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Just get the difference between value and the symbol. Okay. So when we are doing the calculations, okay, when we are doing the calculation, we will have the values. Okay. Here actually, guys, we will have the values. So when we write the answers, we have to write the symbols corresponding to these values. Okay. That is the thing. Those are the values, but when we are going to write the answer, we have to convert these values into symbols. Okay. So when we are going to use this one, as here, 1 is the value, the symbol is also 1. Very easy. So we are going to put 1. Remainder is 40. That means here, this is the value of 40. Okay, this is the value of 40. What is the symbol of 14? E. No? E. So that means here we have to put the E. Okay? Again, you can also put E in here, inside the bracket. Okay. Thing is, guys, when we are going to write the answers, you have to put the symbol, not the value. Okay. But when we are going to do the calculations, we will have the value, not the symbol. Okay. In previous case also, okay, in here, let's see. So when we divide 56 by 16, the value will be 3 and the remainder will be 8. Those are the values. But you know 0 to 9, 0 to 9 value and the symbols are same. Okay. Here we have the value of 3. The symbol is also 3. We have the value of 8. The symbol is also 8. But here it is difference. Here we have the value of 1. The symbol is 1. But in this case, we have the value of 14. The symbol will be E. That is the case when we are dealing with the hexadecimal. Is this okay? Did you guys got this one? Is it okay? Good, good. Let's see. Let's write the topic. Let's write the topic. Decimal to hexadecimal. Decimal to hexadecimal. Decimal to hexadecimal. First point, divide the decimal number by 16. Divide the decimal number by 16 and put the reminders of each division. Divide the decimal number by 16 and put the reminders for each division. Divide the decimal number by 16 and put the reminders for each division. Divide the number, or yes, divide the numbers. Divide the numbers until it is 0. Divide the numbers until it is 0. Until it is 0. The next point, write the next point. If the remainder is, if the remainder is more than 10, if the remainder is more than 10, if the remainder is more than 10, replace the number or its value, just put a slash, write value, replace the number or value, replace the number or value with corresponding digit or as symbol or as English letter, anything. Okay? Just write digit slash symbol, digit slash symbol, corresponding digit slash symbol. Okay? Next point. Write the reminders from bottom to top. 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 Okay, write these two. Write these two and hands up when you are finished. If you want to write these things, you can write these things. Okay. Altaf, I have sent you the tunes. I think I will receive the tunes by Tuesday or Wednesday. Okay. All right. Let's see. Homeworks. Okay. Homeworks. What are the homeworks? The first one, 34. The second one, 574. Third one, 358. Fourth one, 1548. There are only four. There are only four for conversion of hexadecimal. Just write these four and let's move to the next part. Okay, 34, 574, 358, and 1548. Okay, you have to do this homework. Sorry, you have to do these things because actually, guys, it is better to do these calculation by yourself. Otherwise, actually, I can do these things, but the thing is, you are only going to watch. No, I am the one who are going to calculate. You are only going to watch. Okay, when we are learning. So that's why I'm going to give you several homeworks. In that way, you will your knowledge will be what? Your memory will be high. Okay. So there are we have learned three conversions. Okay. Today and the last week we have learned three conversions. Okay. I will clean these things. And all the three conversions are using the same method. What is the method? We have to divide each number by the corresponding value and keep the reminders. Okay? Then we have to write the reminder from bottom to top. That is the method. Okay. So now we are going to change our method. Okay. Now we are going to change our method. So there is a new method for the next part. Okay. Next part is what? We are going to reverse the process. That means in the previous state, we have converted decimal to binary, but in this state, we are going to convert binary to decimal. Binary to decimal. Okay. Okay. First of all, I'm going to teach you how the decimal numbers are made of. Okay. How the decimal numbers are made of. Let's see. Let's get a number. Let's get a decimal number. Okay. 346. This is a decimal number. So what we are going to do is we are going to calculate how this number is made. Okay. Actually, guys, in this case, you have to consider weighting factor. Okay. I think you have you have reminded you, what the weighting factor. Okay. You remind you have learned. I think you know this thing. Okay. Here actually the weighting factor is what? This is 10th base. That means decimal. Okay. So that means this will be 10 to the power 0. Okay. This will be 10 to the power 1. This will be 10 to the power 2. Okay. What we are going to do is, we are going to multiply this weighting factor by the value. Okay. This weighting factor by the value. Okay. So let's get the first one. What will be, what is the weighting factor? 10 to the power 0. Okay. 10 to the power 0 is the weighting factor. We are going to multiply this weighting factor by the value. Okay. Actually, guys, here we have the symbol, you know. Okay? Here we have the symbol. But in this area, we are going to do some calculations. Okay. Here we have the symbols. As you know, in the previous stage, when we are doing the calculations, we have several values. For those values, we are going to put the symbols in the final answer. No? This is like a final answer. This is a value. Sorry, this is a number. This is like a final answer. Okay, that means those are symbols. Okay, so you know here we are going to do the calculations. That means we have to write the value of the symbol. Here we have the value. We have to write the sorry. Here we have the symbol. Okay, here we have the symbol. We have to write the value of the symbol. Okay, so actually same, the symbol is 6, also value is 6. Okay, value is 6. So then when we are going to move to here, the second one, weighting factor is 10 to the power 1 and multiply by 4. In this case, 10 to the power 2 multiply by 3. Okay, those are the calculations now. Did you got this part? This part? Is this okay? What we have to do? We have to consider weighting factor. We have to consider weighting factor. You know, this is the 10th base number. That means the weighting factor will be 10th base, 10 to the power 0. This will be 1 will be 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2. What we are going to do is, we are going to multiply the weighting factor by the value. That is the thing I have done here. Okay. Let's see what will be the value of these weighting factors. Okay. Actually, guys, in the mathematics, uh, zeroth weighting factor of each, I mean any number, okay? Zeroth weighting factor in any number will be 1. Okay? That means 2 to the power 0 will be 1. 4 to the power 0 will be 1. 9 to the power 0 will be 1. Okay? Any weighting factor to power any number, sorry, the zeroth power of any number will be equal to 1. Okay? So that means here I can write this one inside the bracket as 1 multiplied by 6. Okay? So here 10 to the power 1 means what? 10 to the power 1 means we have to multiply by 1. Okay? 10 to the power 1 means actually 10. No? Multiply by 4. 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2 means 10 by 10. 10 to the power 2 means 10 by 10. What will be the answer? What is the answer? 100. If it is 10 to the power 3, 10 by 10 by 10. No, the answer will be 1000. Okay, you have to just get the power of those numbers. 100 should be multiplied by 3. Is this okay? We have written the value of these power numbers. Value of these power numbers. So 6 is 6. 10 multiply by 4 is 40. 100 multiplied by 3 is 300. No? 6 multiplied by 1, 6. 4 multiplied by 10, 40. 3 multiplied by 100, 300. When we are going to, if we add these three numbers, you can see 6, 0, 0 means here 6, 4, 0 means 4, here 3. The answer will be same, no? 346. The same answer. Okay. This is how the decimal number is formed. Okay. This is how the decimal number is formed. So if we have the decimal number, if we write all the numbers with using the weighting factors and do these calculations, you can see we have the same number. Okay. This is how the decimal number is formed. Okay. This is the method when we are doing the other calculations. Okay. That means if we have a second base number or a binary number, only thing that is going to change is the weighting factor. Okay. Only thing is what? The weighting factor. Let's see. Let's write an answer. Okay. Write an answer. Let's see. For the first one, I will get a number like what? A simple number. 1 0 1 1 0. Okay. This is in binary form. Okay. Let's see. We have 1 0 1 1 0. Okay. We have to get the weighting factor first. Okay. We have to get the weighting factor first. What will be the weighting factor? For this one, 10 to the power, 2 to the power 0. For this one, 2 to the power 1. For this one, 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 4. No. Is this okay? This is a binary number. So that means weighting factor will come up with the 2 to the power number. In here actually, we had a decimal number. So that means 10th value. That means all the weighting factor will come up with 10 to the power. Okay? The power of the base number. So here the base number is 2. That means 2 to the power. So when we are going to get the calculations like this, so the first one is 2 to the power 0. I told you any number, any 0 values to power any number will be 1. Okay. Multiply by what is the number? 0, no? 0. What will happen if we multiply 1 by 0? When we are going to multiply any number by 0, the answer will be 0. You know, when we are going to multiply any number by 0, the answer will be 0. So that means the answer here will be 0. Let's see the second one. 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 means number 2. Okay, 2 to the power 1. How we calculate 2 to the power 1? 2 multiply by 1. Okay. So any number, when we are going to use any number of power 1, that means we are going to multiply that number by 1. Is 2 multiply by, here we have 1. Okay, here we have 1. Multiply by 1. 2 by 1 is 2. Third one, 2 to the power 2 means 2 multiplied by 2. 4. Okay. By here also you can see 1. 4 by 1 is 4. Okay. Here 2 to the power 3. Okay. What will be the answer? 2 to the power 3 means we are going to add again multiply this by 2. Okay. Again we are going to multiply this by 2. Okay. 4 by 2 is 8. Multiply by what? 0. Here we are going to multiply by 0. That means the number, so the value will be 0. The last one, 2 to the power 4. Again, we are going to multiply 8 by 2. That means 16 by 1, 16. So then we are going to add these things. Okay. 16 plus 4 is 20 plus 2 is 22. That, guys, look on the method. Okay, that's why I have teach you this one earlier. You have to look at the method. Okay, we are going to multiply the weighting factor by each value. Okay, we are going to multiply by weighting factor by each value. So as here actually I think you got the idea, no? Here actually you got the idea, because here we got the answer as 346 and the number is also 346. But if I teach you this in the first place, I think you will get a little bit confused. Why we are going to do these calculations? You are going to confuse how these calculations are going to get the real value. No, you don't know. Is this real value? You don't know. For validate that one, I have teach you this thing, this one, okay, to validate that. Okay, method is same. Okay, method is same. I think you got this idea. Is it okay? Is this okay? The method? Yes, you met. I think you got the idea, no? Because you given the answer earlier. Okay, let's see. Let's write. Okay, let's write the topic. Let's write the topic. Write down the topic. Binary to decimal conversion. Binary to decimal conversion. First point, right? Like this. Use the weighting factor. Use the weighting factor. Use the weighting factor. Weighting factors. Okay. Use the weighting factors of binary number. Use the weighting factors of binary number. Use the weighting factor of binary number and multiply the value of weighting factor. Multiply the value of weighting factor and multiply the value of weighting factor by the corresponding value or a symbol, anything. Okay. Multiply the weighting factor by the corresponding value and write the answer. Okay. Second point, add all the others in, add on all the answers in above step. Add all the answers in above step. Add all the answers in above step and write the value. And write the value. And write the value. Okay. Write this one. Just write this one as just put number 1 and write this one. And hands up once you finish. I think it is better to write the other one also. This one also. I think it is better to write this one also, but you have to write this one also. Just write both of them and just raise your hand. Okay. Altaf very quick. No, not Altaf. Yumet is very quick, you know. He's like a flash. Look, Yumet is like a flash. I think you know the Flash, no? The Marvel, not Marvel character. Flash is a DC character, no? DC superhero. He's going to hit by a lightning. Okay. So I think you know the story, no? In the Flash. So there is a person and he's going to hit by a lightning and suddenly he will get the powers, okay, of Flash. I mean, he can run very fast, no? So what if we hit by a lightning? Okay. So the thing is, so you are going to watch the Flash, okay? You are going to watch the Flash, and you saw that he is going to hit by lightning, and he got the powers. Okay? So you will think, oh, that is a good method, no, to gain powers. To gain power, that is a good method. So I want also to get the lightning. You are going to think about go to hit by lightning, and then you are going to move to the outside and wait until you hit by lightning. So what if we hit by lightning? Okay, we are going to just burn. We are going to just burn and just like like a roasted meat. We will convert to roasted meat, and then we will have the power to go to the heaven. Okay, so that will happen when we are going to hit by lightning. Okay, not the powers. Okay, we will have the powers, but the powers to go to the heaven or hell. Okay? That is the power, not the speed of the Flash. Okay, and also guys, so actually in my childhood, I watched the Spider-Man. Okay, I think all you guys have also watched the Spider-Man. So in the case of Spider-Man, he's going to bitten by a spider, no? He's going to bitten by a spider and he will gain the powers of Spider-Man. Okay, spider. He can shoot webs likewise. He can crawl on the walls likewise. Okay. So the thing is, so in the in my childhood, so if there is a spider, so I will wait until it beats me. Okay? Just beat me. So then I will have the powers of Spider-Man. So just beat me. So I will wait until it beats me. So it's not going to beat me. It's it's going to move on my hand. Okay? So likewise that guys, so actually those superheroes are going to just what? Crazy. Okay, those superheroes are going to crazy in our day-to-day life. Okay, let's see. I got the no. Still, I didn't get the signals, guys. In my router, for my router, I didn't get the signal. Uh, and also, what? Uh, let's move to the next part. Okay, let's move to the next part, and I will write with the different style. Okay, the same method. Okay, I'm going to use the same method but different style. Okay, what is the style? uh, 10110. Same one, no? 110010. Okay. No, I'm not going to do this much of one. Let's see this one. 1101. Okay. You know the weighting factor. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. How we are going to write in this style? Okay. This is a different style because actually, guys, I am going to teach you this style because in school, I think they will use this style also. The same method, guys. Let's see. So here, we have what? Here we have first weighting factor. So 0, 1, 2, 3. No? Okay, 2 to the power, 2 to the power, 0, 1, 2, 3. So here, this will be 2 to the power 3. That means here, actually, guys, we are going to put 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 1. Add 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 1. Add 2 to the power 1 multiplied by 0. Add 2 to the power 0 multiplied by 1. Okay. Same method, you can see here the same method. So let's see the answers. 2 to the power 3 is what? 8 multiplied by 1 plus here 4. 4 multiplied by 1. Here 2 multiplied by 0. 1 multiplied by 1. 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. 11. No, not 11, no. 12, 13. 13 is the answer. Okay. I think you can see the same method, right? Same method. What is the method? We are going to multiply the weighting factor by the corresponding value. So here, the weighting factor with the corresponding value. Weighting factor with the corresponding value. And then in the end, we are going to add all the things. Same method. Okay, same method, but different style. Okay, different style. Why this one also? This is okay, no? If you have any question, just ask. Okay, just raise your hand and just type your question and ask. If you have any question regarding all the calculations, okay, you just ask. Just write this one and raise your hand. Raise your hand once you are finished. Okay. Let's do another example. Let's see. Third one. 1 0 1 1 0 1. The same one. 1. Okay. This is the number. Okay. This is the binary number. Okay. The thing is, here I'm going to use a shortcut. Okay. Here actually I'm going to use a shortcut. What is the shortcut? For the last one, in this number, you know the weighting factor is 2 to the power 0. Means 1. For this one, you know 2 to the power 1 means 2. For this one, 2 to the power 2 means 4. For this one, 2 to the power 3 means 8. Okay. Those are the numbers. No? Those are the numbers, and it will go so on. So I will just write this in bigger font. 2 to the power 3 is 8. So this one. Okay. Can you see the flow? There's a flow. What is the flow? The first one, the first number will be always 1 for any base or as any octal, decimal, or any number system. The first one will be 1. Okay. This second one is the same base. Okay. He actually for this one actually 2. Okay. For this one is 2. And the third one is multiplied by 2. No? 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. For the third one, 8 means 4 multiplied by 2. Okay. That means there is a flow. I mean, first one will always 1, and the second one is 2, 4, 8. That means you have to just multiply each number and get the next number. No? We have 1, we have 2. We have to multiply 2 by 2. We will have 4. Then we have to multiply 4 by again 2. We will have 8. Likewise, there is a pattern. No? There is a pattern. So that is a very easy pattern in a binary number system. Okay. The thing is, guys, we are going to put the values for each number. This is a very very big shortcut. Okay. This is a very big shortcut. I will just write the numbers first. Okay. So this first one, here will be 1, here will be 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Okay, I think you can see, no? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. That means you have to just multiply by 2. This will be 1, this will be 2, and then you have to multiply 2 by 2, 4, 4 by 2, 8, 8 by 2, 16, 16 by 2, 32, 32 by 2 is 64. So then, when we are using binary numbers, guys, you can see there are only two values, 1 or 0. We have only two values, 1 or 0. So the thing is, the values corresponding to the 0th values can be rejected. No? In here actually, the third one is 0. That means we can just remove this one. And here, this one is also 0. That means we can just remove this one. I mean 32, we can remove. Then we can add the values in the values correspond to the ones. Okay. What are the first one? We can add 1, 2, 8, 16, 64. Okay. If we add these things, 10, 10, 20, 21, 8, 9. 91 is the answer. Did you get the method? The same method, guys, the shortcut. Did you got this shortcut? That means just we have to just put the values corresponding to the these values. Okay. That means here we are going to just put the answers of the weighting factors. Okay. Actually, guys, we can just easily calculate the answers of the weighting factor in the binary number system. Okay. That's why we are going to use this shortcut. And the thing is, guys, this is a shortcut. Okay. Don't use this shortcut for the exam. Okay. Don't use this shortcut for the exam. But if you have a MCQ question or a multiple choice question, you can use this format. Because when we are write the answers in the MCQ paper, they are not going to look at the calculations. No, they are not going to look at the calculation. They are going to only look at the answers for the MCQ questions. But when we are writing answers for the second paper, they are going to allocate marks for the calculations and also the answers. Okay, remember that carefully. Okay, I will show you a marking scale. Okay, in the second paper, guys. Okay, the second paper, if you have a question like this, they are going to allocate some marks for the calculations and also for the answer. Okay, so in this method, if you wrote this method for the second paper, you will have the marks for the answer, but you will not have the marks for the calculation part because this is a shortcut. Okay, so please don't use this shortcut for the second paper of the MCQ. Sorry, not the MCQ. Second paper of the exam. Okay? You have to use this method or this method. You can use either this method or this method for the answers in the second paper. This method can be used for the MCQ questions. Okay, did you got that one? Don't write this one for the second part. Okay, okay. That's the thing. Otherwise, you will not have all the marks. If the question will have total of 2 marks, 1 mark will allocate for the answer and 1 mark for the calculations. Okay. I will write another one with, actually guys, for now onwards, I'm going to use this method, okay, because this is very easy, and I'm going to teach you the what. Just you have to just increase the calculations parts, and just you have to just get the experience of the calculation. Okay, so that's why we are going to do several calculations. Okay, but the case is I will do the calculations using this method, but don't use this method in the exam. Okay. Okay. This one. Let's see. I will give you an easy one. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the number. Okay. This is the number. Let's put the weighting factor. Okay. This one will be 1. This one will be 2. This one will be 4. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 8 multiplied by 2, 16. 16 multiplied by 2, 32. As the answers. And then let's add these things. Here we have 1. For 2, we have 0. For 4, we have 1. 8, 0, 16, 0, 32, 1. So then here 6, 7, 37 is the answer. Okay. This is another example of the shortcut. Okay. This is another example of the shortcut. Actually, I'm going to give you several homeworks. The thing is, you have to do two calculations using this like this. But it is better to do all the calculations in this method. That means you have to just draw the arrows. Okay? You have to just draw the arrows, or else the second method, the second style, you can use the second style also. It is your choice. Okay? This one or the second style. If we are going to use this style, that means you have to draw the arrows and write like this. Okay. Okay. Is this good? Is this correct? Is this okay? Good, good, good. So write these things, and I will give you several homeworks also. If you are going to use this method, they will be easy, no? It will be easy. So 5, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 6. There are another 4 questions. Write these 4 questions. Just don't write the answers. Okay? Use the write those things as homeworks. Okay. Is it okay? Okay, guys. So this is the second method. Okay. This is the second method. That means, as the first method, we have learned we have to just divide each value by the corresponding value and keep the reminders. Okay. Then you have to write the reminders from bottom to top. That is the first method, or else the first conversion style. And the second one is what? You have to multiply each value by the corresponding weighting factor. That is the second one. Okay, very easy. So all the conversions for the decimal numbers, I mean, if there is any other number system, binary, octal, or hexadecimal, those 3 number systems are going to, if you are going to convert those 3 number system into decimal, what is the method you are going to use is this method. That means you are going to multiply the weighting factor with the corresponding value. Okay. So let's see. Octal. Octal. The first one is 341. 341 is the 8 base value. So that means for this one, what will be the weighting factor? 8 base. This is octal. This is 8 base. That means the weighting factor will come up with the 8 to the power. The first one is 0. This one, 8 to the power 1. This one, 8 to the power 2. Okay, likewise, according to the number system, this number will be changed. The weighting factor will be changed. That is the only difference between the number systems, guys. Okay, only system between the number system that we are going to convert for the decimal. Okay. So here, you know, as I already told you, any numbers like for the zeroth power will be 1. Okay. So here 8 to the power 1 means 8 by 1. The value is 8. So here 8 to the power 2 is 8 by 8. The value is 64. Here, you have to just multiply this by 1, this by 4, this by 3. So here value is 1. 8 by 4, 32. Then 64 by 3. 64 multiplied by 3. 192. 192. Okay. Then you have to just add these things. Here 5, 2, 2. 225 is the correct answer. Okay, I can write as 225 in the 10th base. Okay. Is this okay? Did you got the method? Good. You met? Good, no? Yes. This is the only difference, guys. The only difference here, the weighting factor is changed. The previous case, we had 2 to the power, 2 to the power, but in this case, will be changed again like this. Okay. Actually, here the second in the previous case we have used two styles. Okay, this is the first style, and we have used another style for like the we can write all the things in horizontal way. Okay, that is second style. You can also use that style for this one also. Okay, but I think it is better to use this method. This style is good. I think it is very handy looking. No, this is very handy looking. This is the only thing. Okay. Only difference between binary to decimal and octal to decimal. Okay. Okay. Let's put the topic and write this one. Okay. Because the same thing, the note is same as previous, guys. The note is same as previous. The thing is you have to just change. No, you don't have to change anything with the previous note. Previous note mean binary to decimal. Same thing. So just put the topic octal to decimal conversion and just write this one. And I will give you several questions. Okay? I think you got the method. Okay. I think you got the method. Let's don't waste more time to learn the method. I will give you several questions, and then we will discuss the question. So then you will gain the that knowledge again. Okay. So second one, 24. Actually, yes, you will get maximum 4 weighting factors until 4 weighting factors. Okay. That will be get the maximum value. I don't know, but all things will be just small values. So 56. write these things. Write these numbers as example. And then let's move to the next one. Just write these things and just hands up. You will have many more homeworks. Okay. For this, actually, guys, I'm giving you homeworks only in this lesson. I think you will have several homeworks for the other lessons also, for the Excel and the other things. But there are many more homeworks, several more homeworks related to other lessons in this lesson. Okay. Actually, we are going to do some calculations. That's why. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Okay. Same thing, guys. Okay, same thing. Hexadecimal to decimal. Okay. Hexadecimal. Hexadecimal to decimal. Okay. First one. Simple, very simple. As you know the method, this is very simple. What? 43. Okay. Hexadecimal. So then here it is 16 base 0. Okay. The value is 1. Here 16 to the power 1, that is 16. Okay. So then here we are going to multiply by this one 3, this one by 4. Yes. And here 3, 16 by 4, that is 64. Is this okay? Is it okay? It is okay, no? Very easy, no? Same method, no? The thing is, the only difference is here 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1. Okay, this is the first one. Okay. And there is another difference when we are using hexadecimal, no? You know that one. You know, when we are using hexadecimal, we have different kind of symbols. We have a set of symbols that we did not use in the previous conversions. Okay, what are those? The second one, A, T, C. This is a number. Okay, A3C is a hexadecimal number. Okay, so this one is 16 to the power 0, mean 1, multiplied by what is the value? Actually, in this way, this is I told you in the earliest in the first one, in the first conversion. Here actually we have put the value, symbol. Okay, here we are going to put the symbol, but here we are going to do some calculations. No? In this part, we are going to do some calculation, but here we are going to put the symbol. No? The thing is, for the calculations, you have to put the corresponding value, not the symbol. Okay, not the symbol. So here actually we have to put what is the value of C? A is 10, B, C, D, E, F, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That means C means 12. Okay, that is the only difference. Okay? Another difference, not the only difference. Uh, First difference is this one. That means 16 base. The second difference means it is not a difference actually. Okay, it is not a difference from the previous one. The thing is, in the previous cases, this symbol is same as the value. No? In this previous cases, this symbol is same as the value. But when we are using hexadecimal, this is the symbol. The value is different. Okay. So for 3, we have 6 to the power 1. So 60 multiplied by 3. The same one. Here the symbol is 3 and the value is also 3. Here actually 16 to the power 2. What will be the value? 536. 16 by 16. Okay. 256. 256 multiplied by what? What is the value of A? A means the 10. A means 10. Let's see. 1 multiplied by 12 is 12. 16 multiplied by 3, the 48. 256 multiplied by 10, 2550. Okay. So then we can add these things. So here we have 10, 10, 12, 6, 200 and, sorry, 2620. Is this okay? Did you got this one? Here we have the symbol, but in this case we have to put the value. Is this okay? Just hands up. Yes, that will be the only difference, guys. Okay. Actually, I told you this is not a difference. Okay, this is not a difference. In the previous cases, the same symbol and the value. Okay. Let's write like this. Just put the topic hexadecimal to decimal. Hexadecimal to decimal. In this conversion, we just let's write. Okay. In this conversion, in this conversion, in this conversion, we have to multiply. We have to multiply the weighting factor. We have to multiply the weighting factor of each symbol, weighting factor of each symbol, and then no, each symbol, just full stop, full stop. Second point. Second point. If you got symbols larger than A, if you got symbols larger than A or as higher than A, if you got symbols larger or higher than A, we have to put the corresponding value we have to put the, no, just cut the word put. Just cut the word put and write as multiply. Okay. We have to multiply. We have to multiply each value corresponding to the symbol, each value corresponding to the symbol by weighting factor. Each value corresponding to the symbol by weighting factor. By weighting factor. Next point, add all the values, got in previous step, add all the values got in previous step, add all the values got in previous step, and write the final answer. And write the final answer. And write the final answer. Okay. Write both of them. Write both of them as the example. First one and the second one. Just hands up once you finish. Okay, I will give you several homeworks. Let's see. Second, third one. Is this okay? Just tell me first. Is this okay? The method. Do you understand this one? Good. Okay, write this. There are 5 questions. Write these 5 questions as a homework, and just do the homework. Sorry, you have to do the homework. I will get another 5 minutes, guys. Okay, because we had a little bit confusion in the end because we had some technical issues, and in the case we have lost 50 minutes, no, around 50 minutes. So I will get that not 15 minutes. I will get another 5 minutes. Right? Another 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. The next one. Next one. Okay. I am going to convert binary numbers into octal. Okay. We are going to convert binary numbers to octal. This is another method. Okay. Another new method. This is the third method. Okay. You know, there are two different methods we have learned in the previous stage. We have learned two different methods. This is the third method. Okay. This is whole new one. Okay. What we are going to do is we are going to convert binary to octal. That means binary means you know 2, second base, no, base 2, base 2. This is one, base 8. Octal means 8. Okay. This is not 10th base. Okay. Listen very careful. This is very easy one. This is very easy one. The thing is, guys, first you have to get the connection of these two bases. I mean, these two number system. You have to get the connection. You have to understand the connection between those two number system. Okay. What is the connection? Connection means here actually you know this is, as I already told you, this is base 2. Okay. This is 8. No. So what we have to do, we have to understand the connection. That means we have to get the equivalence of these two. Okay. These two bases. What will be the equivalence values of these two bases? Okay. We are going to use the weighting factors. Okay. We are going to use weighting factors to get the connection. Okay. The thing is, guys, if we write 2 to the power 3, you know what is the value of 2 to the power 3? 2 by 2 by 2 is equal 8, no? 8. So that means 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So we can write 8 as 8 to the power 1. No? 8 to the power 1 means 8 multiplied by 1. 8. This is the connection, guys. This is the connection. We have to just equal. So we have to just understand the connection. Okay. We have to get the equal point. Equal point. Okay? So the equal point is we have to use the base numbers. Actually, you know that one. So this is binary means we have to use the weighting factor as 2. So this is octal. That means so here we have to use the weighting factor as 8. Then we have to get the equivalent point. The equivalent point is 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8 to the power 1. This is the lowest equal point. No, lowest equal point. Did you guys understand this one? 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8 to the power 1. Is this okay? Unit? Is this okay? Yes. So then the thing is, guys, actually we can write one digit of 8 or a octal number system. Okay, here you can see 1. One digit of octal number system using 3 digit of binary number system. Here you can see 3, here 1. No? That is the connection, guys. Okay? We can actually write one number or as one binary, one digit in octal number system using 3 digit on binary number system. And also we can use three digit of binary number system, and we can write 1 digit of octal number system. That is the thing. That is the theory of the conversion of binary to octal and octal to binary. The same theory. Okay. The theory is 3 bits in binary number system is equal to 1 digit in octal number system. That is the theory. Okay. Let's do the conversion. Binary to octal. That means here we have to get the binary number. So the first one, binary number. What will be the binary number? 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is a binary number. Okay, this is a binary number. So then we are going to convert this number to octal number system. So the thing is, guys, as you already know, we can write 1 digit of octal number system using 3 digit of binary number system. Yeah, that means here we are going to divide 3 digit by 3 digit of this binary number system. Okay, so we are going to divide first 3. Actually, guys, we have to start from the left, right hand side. Okay, we have to start from the right hand side and divide by. You have to just make what this like this. Okay, you have to just divide by 3 digit. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, you have to form into groups by 3 digit, and we can use this first group to write one octal number. Here you can see 3 digit of binary number system. We can write 1 digit of octal number system. So here we have 3 digit. We are going to write 1 octal number. Actually, guys, here we have to convert this number into octal number, or else we can just convert this number, this binary value, into decimal. Okay, we can just convert into decimal. How we can convert into decimal? 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, here you know this is 1, this is 2, this is 4. So actually there are only 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. That means here 1 and 2. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is 3. So here 0, 1, 1. Same one, 3. Here there is a problem. In here actually we have only one number, or else 1 bit. But to form 1 octal number, we need 3 digit. We need 3 digit. What we can do is, we can just fill up those two bit. We can just put 2 zeros. Okay, I will write in the blue color one. 2 zeros. Okay, so then we will have one number. So then 1 is same as here 1. Okay, 1. So then as the last step, we can write this one as 1 octal number. 1, 3, 3, 1 is in octal number form. This is the conversion of binary to octal. Did you guys understand? Is this okay? The thing is, you have to just get the idea. Okay, idea. What is the idea? What is the connection between these two number systems? The connection is 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8 to the power 1. Okay, that means using 3 bit of binary numbers, we can write 1 bit of octal number system. Is this okay? Just tell me. Is this okay? Good. Let's try. Put the topic binary to octal conversion. let's write only this one and let's stop. Okay. Binary to octal number system. Sorry, binary to octal conversion. As first step, separate the binary number as first step, separate the binary number into groups of 3 bits. Separate the binary number into groups of 3 bits from the rightmost edge to the left edge. From the rightmost edge to the left edge. That is the first point. Okay. The second point is the last group. If the last group doesn't have 3 bits, if the last group doesn't have 3 bits, complete it by adding zeros. If the last group doesn't have 3 bits, complete it by adding zeros. If the last group doesn't have 3 bits, complete it by adding zeros. Okay. Next point. Convert each group to its corresponding octal number separately. Convert each group to its corresponding octal number separately. Last point. Write the octal digits. Write the octal digits from left to right in order. Write the octal digits from left to right in order. Write the octal digits from left to right in order. Altaf, what happened? I think you have leave the class. What happened? Okay, actually, we have wrote the note. Okay. Okay, you may just write this one. I will again tell you the note. Okay. Again, I will tell you the note. You may just write these things. Okay. Okay, Altaf, let's write. Okay. I think you have put the the topic. Okay. Let's write the first point. First separate the binary number. Separate the binary number. First, separate the binary number into groups of. First, separate the binary number into groups of 3 bits. 3 bits. 3 bits from the right side. From the right side to left side. First, separate the binary number into group of 3 bits. Binary number into group of 3 bits from the right side to left side. Second point, if the last group doesn't have 3 bits, if the last group doesn't have 3 bits, complete it by adding zeros. Complete it by adding zeros. Okay. Third one, third point, okay, convert each group to its corresponding octal numbers separately. Convert each group to its corresponding octal number separately. Last point, write the octal digits. Write the octal digits from left to right in order. Write the octal digits from left to right in order. Okay, write these homeworks also. Write these homeworks. There are 5 homeworks, not only in this conversion you have 5 homeworks, but in the previous case also you will have 5 conversion from each one. I think there are more than 15 homeworks, 15 numbers to convert. I think more than 15 numbers. Sorry. So the thing is, you have to do those things. Okay? Is this clear? No? You can see the numbers, no? These things. You can see, no? If it is not clear, just tell me. Okay, you can see. Okay. Write these things. Okay. And then you have to do these homeworks, and the next day we are going to discuss about these things, and you will learn. You have to just put the marks, okay, for each homework. Okay, so then guys, I have taken another 30 minutes. Okay, actually we have started at 8, no? So I have taken 2.5 hours to today class. Okay. All right, so I will stop the class from now on. So as I told you earlier, so by the next week you have to pay the first month fee. If you have already paid, just ignore the message. Okay. So then let's start. So let's meet on the next week. Okay. Stay safe, guys. Okay. Stay safe and be careful and do the homework. Okay. I will go. Okay. Is this okay now? Did you wrote these things? Just hands up. Okay. You wait. Okay, no? Good, good. Okay. So do the homeworks and let's meet on the next week. Okay. Goodbye, guys. Okay. It's already 10:30. Let's go to the sleep. Let's see. Okay. Good night. Okay. Good night.